Hi kids! Today we will learn writing addition sentences. So let's get started. What will be the addition sentence for this picture? Here are 2 apples and 1 mango. So first write 2 plus 1 now. Count the total number of fruits. Total number of fruits are 3. So write 2 plus 1 equals 3. Good. So the addition sentence for this picture is 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now, let's take another example. What will be the addition sentence for this picture? There are 3 apples and 2 mangoes. So write 3 plus 2. Now count the total number of fruits. You know apples are 3, so count from 4, the mangoes. 4, 5. So the total fruits are 5. Write 3 plus 2 equals 5. And this is our addition sentence for the picture. Let's take another example. What will be the addition sentence for this picture? There are 4 pencils and 4 erasers. So first write 4 plus 4. Now, count the total number of things. You know pencils are 4, so count from 5. The erasers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, total number of things are 8. So write 4 plus 4 equals 8. And this is our addition sentence for the picture. Let's take another example. What will be the addition sentence for this picture? There are 6 shells and 5 buckets. So first write 6 plus 5. Now count the total number of things. You know shells are 6, so count from 7, the buckets. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, total number of things are 11. So we get 6 plus 5 equals 11. And this is our addition sentence for the picture. Good! So what have we learned? We have learned how to make addition sentences. We need to count the number of things separately and write them with a sign of plus between them, like this. And then count the number of things all together and write with a sign of equal, like this. And the addition sentence is ready. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye. Tutway has thousands of animated videos on math, English, and science to clear the core basics of these subjects.